Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about very simple but similar terms like sympathy and empathy, passion and compassion, biography and autobiography. I'll be taking both three of them one by one. So first I'm taking sympathy versus empathy. Now what is the difference between sympathy and empathy? When you look at them, they seem to be very similar, but no, they have a very different meaning and feeling attached to it. Sympathy is like a feeling of pity, or you may say kindness towards other people when they suffer from some kind of loss in their lives. Like when you are suppose if there is some death in somebody's life, or maybe somebody has lost their job, right? Then you mostly sympathize with them that, oh my god, that the person is going to go through such a bad phase in life. Or maybe somebody is like a differently abled person, and you see them and you feel a sense of sympathy towards them. Oh my god, this person's leg is not working properly. You have a feeling of sympathy towards them. It's like a feel of pity towards them. But sympathy does not console the other person. It just gives them, moreover, it gives them a feeling of feeling alone and aloof, right? So sympathy is like giving sympathizing. It's just like feeling other person's feelings and pain, but not relating to it. Whereas when we talk about empathy is like directly relating to a other person's feelings. Suppose if the other person has lost their job, and you don't tell them that, oh my god, you have lost the job. You say them that, yes, so you lost the job. Yes, I know the pain that we feel when we lose a job. Understand? So there's a difference. Like just empathy is the ability to understand other people's pain and feelings like your own. It's like your own personal experience relating to their pain, like as if the pain, it is the same pain that even you have experienced yourself at some point of life. Or you even feel that, if, oh my god, if the same thing happens to me, then how much pain I will feel. So that is empathy. Yeah, in very general words, in our day-to-day lives, when you're maid, a housemaid is very common in our houses, and we are usually attached to the people. So when they don't feel better someday, we ask them to go home and take rest, right? Why? It's not pity, it's empathy, because you have been connected to that maid. You know that person personally, and when that lady is not feeling one day well, you ask her, you request her to go home and take rest. Why? Because you can feel the pain that she's feeling, that if, oh my god, if the same things happens to me, then how I'm going to deal with it. So this is empathy, right? So sympathy is like a aloof pity, you can say. Empathy is like a pity, that is the same pity that you can feel for yourself too. So that is the basic difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy makes you feel alone, and empathy never makes you feel alone. It always gives you a sense that somebody is standing with you shoulder to shoulder. Whereas sympathy may give you a feel of sometimes a funny, making a fun, or maybe it's like just a sense of pity, right? So that is sympathy and empathy. Moving on to passion and compassion. Now what is passion? Passion is a very strong feeling. Like you're very excited, you're passionate about something. You can be passionate about drawing, you can be passionate about music, you can be passionate about your art. It is like passionate means like mostly people are passionate in their careers, like they can be passionate about creating something new every day. So it's their passion, it's their drive to do everything every day a new thing. Yeah, it's their attraction. And passion is full of desires, like they want to create everything a new thing every day. So that is passion. It drives them to do something new every day. So that is passion for your work. Passion also, sometimes it is sexual also, like when you are too much attracted to a person, you feel a sense of passion towards them. Now compassion is like feeling it's pain, understanding the pain or pity for somebody who is suffering. it is like kindness, like, so compassion is like brotherly love. It is, passion is different, passion is entirely different. It's like a emotional drive to do your work. Compassion is like brotherly love. Okay, it is something like sympathy. Yeah, so brotherly love, like suppose when there is a flood in your area, earthquake in your area, you go out and help and help people. Yeah, you reach out to people and help them. Why? Because you have a feeling of compassion towards them. Compassion, you can understand, it's kind of a feeling of kindness, sympathy and brotherly love towards people, and it is mostly also for people whom you don't know. They can be strangers, like people in the old age home, children in the orphanages. So you feel compassion for some people, so that is compassion. So passion is mostly your drive to do something every day new, to create everything new every day, and compassion is your brotherly love. Understood? Now coming to the third point, biography and autobiography. Now what is biography and autobiography? They also look same, only the word auto is added in the next word, biography. Now biography is a story of person's life written by someone else, right? So when someone else writes their own story, yeah, other person's life story, then it is called biography. Suppose if it is Sachin Tendulkar, right? So if Sachin Tendulkar somebody is writing a book on Sachin Tendulkar's life, yeah, that is called a biography. It is based on true facts from trustworthy sources. It is based on true facts gained from trustworthy sources, and hence some other person is writing a biography for Sachin Tendulkar. Now when I talk about autobiography is the story of a person's life written by self. When the person himself or herself writes their story of their life on their own, it is called autobiography. Yeah, so in this, a person includes their first hand experiences of life. Yeah, they are not passed on experiences, they are not facts from some sources, close people, near and dear peoples, like how we extract information from here and there. No, biography is the first hand information from the person himself who is writing life story on their own. So autobiography is usually full of real facts. Fine. So this is the basic difference between autobiography and biography. I hope I have been able to clear the differences between all the terms I have discussed today. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and look forward to my next video. Thank you. Bye.